SG World USA's patent-protected pallet racking inspection solution is about making it easy to make certain your pallet racking inspections take place periodically and that everybody can see whether the pallet rack and the load is safe to use. The book paddle kit will attach to the end of an aisle of racking with a zip tie, clearly displaying that an inspection at this time has not been done. This reminds the responsible person to go ahead, take out the book from the book paddle kit, turn to the next available inspection and perform a safety inspection on the pallet racking itself. The inspection book guides the person through everything they need to check on the racking and the load in the order they would sensibly go about checking it. It takes some details across the top like their name, and if there's any failings it will categorise those into whether it's the rack or the load, and of course that's signed to make sure that the individual is accountable and takes ownership for the safety of that rack. The top copy then rips off and the second copy stays in the book, so you have a record of every inspection that's ever taken place, and the book will just live there on the end of the aisle of racking. The piece that's ripped off, that's going to fold in half, and assuming that the racking has passed its inspection, on the green side they will write the date, the time and their name. This will then slip into the front, covering up the do not use, to help everybody understand that the pallet racking has been inspected, when it was inspected and who by, and whether it's passed or not. It also offers the opportunity to identify that both the load and the rack has passed the inspection, to make it easy for everyone to see that it's a safe environment for them to work in. SG World USA's patent-protected pallet racking inspection solution makes sure those pallet racking inspections happen at the frequency you require and builds your safety culture through its visibility.